Hello my friends, welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing and testing out and reviewing a foldable service cart. So let's go ahead and see what all kinds of things we can use it with. So one thing I noticed right away with this service cart is it comes complete. All you have to do is pop in the wheels. That's it. Everything else is nice and complete. It's also very lightweight as well. So first you're going to go ahead and you're going to remove the straps like this. Now all we have to do is slide it down like this. Wow. Oh my word, that's incredible, guys. Look how quick and easy that was. Wow. So that was pretty simple, and when you want to go ahead and fold it back up, what you do is you pull on the center while pushing down, and you're done. Like, that's how quick and easy this is. That is incredible. Absolutely incredible, guys. Wow. I love this. You can definitely place a lot of things on here as well. It is a little bowed, as we can see here. We tried to get it straightened out. I think if we apply pressure from the top down, we could probably, you can kind of see the gap in here. We could probably get it straightened out. Okay, I'm told once you have the wheels on that it steadies out. So for the wheels, you just pop them in place. So push them up the whole way. Just be careful, you don't want to hurt yourself. But they're not too hard to pop up. Oh yes, that actually did fix it. So, it levels it off now, so now it's nice and flat. As you guys can see, that gap is fixed. Wow, this is actually really nice. I'm actually going to use this for our documents by my office. This is really nice. It easily rolls. You can lock the wheels so they don't move. Yeah, this is nice, guys. So for whatever you need it for, I think it's going to work great.